If you accidentally archived a chat in Telegram and you've been wondering how you can unarchive it or to get it back to the main chat feed, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can unarchive a chat in Telegram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to unarchive chat in Telegram, it is very simple for us to do so. So what we have to do to unarchive a chat is we open up Telegram, and let's say we happen to archive a certain chat. You'll find the archive chat section from the top, so go inside it, and here you'll find a list of chats that you've set to archive. So to unarchive them is the same process that you use to archive them. That is that you have to just long press on the archive chat section, and then just tap on the three dots icon next to the chat and tap the option called unarchive from the very top, and it will be successfully unarchived. That's all it takes to unarchive chats. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.